Standard 5th subject computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, designing tables part 2. Now student, we learn inserting column or row. First draw a table and then select the numbers of rows and column which one you want. Second, right click on the cell, row or column where you want to insert another column or row. Okay, one pop-up menu appear. Here you have to select insert. When you click insert, again small pop-up menu appear. Now student, here you have to select insert column or row to left, right, above or below respectively. Means student, where you want row and column, above, below, right or left. Okay, you have to select that. Third, the column or the row will appear in the table. Second option we have to insert column or row is click layout tab, rows and columns group, and then you have to select the required option. Deleting columns, rows or cells. First, select or click in the cell, row or column you wish to delete. Second, under table tools, click the layout tab. Third, in the rows and columns group, click delete and then delete rows or columns or cells which one you want to delete. Deleting the entire table. Okay, select the table, select the layout tab, rows and columns group you have to select delete table. Your entire table will be deleted. Merging cells. You can combine two or more cells into one by using merging cell command. For that, what you have to do? Select the cells you want to merge from the existing table. And second, click on layout tab and then select merge cells. Splitting cells. Now students, split means what? Break. You can split a single cell into multiple new cells by using split cell command. First, select the cells you want to split from the existing table, and then second, click on layout tab and choose the option split cells. Adding borders and shading. Word applies a half pt black solid line border around all table cells. You can change the border and shading style of the entire table or of selected cells. To do this, what we have to do? First, select the table or select the cells. Second, click on the design tab, draw borders group. A border and shading dialog box appears. Third, select the desired line style and width from the style and width drop down list. Fourth, click on the shading tab. Fifth, select the desired color for the shading. And then sixth, click on the OK button. Row heading. In Word, you can repeat your row heading on multiple pages if the table is spread on more than one page. Okay. The row headings will repeat on top of each page till the table spread. For that, what you have to do? Select the row you want to repeat as heading. Okay. And second, from layout tab, select data group and then select repeat header rows. Calculations in a table. In Word table, you can perform basic calculations. You can use some basic functions like sum, average, count. Okay. Now student, we have to learn the steps. First, select the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Second, click Layout tab, Data Group, select Formula command. Third, the formula dialog box will appear. Fourth, it shows the name of the function to be used. Fifth, use paste function to change the formula. And sixth, click on the OK button. Thank you.